Ever wonder how people start investing but feel like you need a ton of money to get going? Nope. You can literally start with just $100, and I'm going to show you how. If you're brand new to investing, this video is for you. No jargon, no stress, just real talk. Let's get into it. First off, why even invest? Because leaving your money in a regular savings account is like putting it under your mattress. Inflation eats it away over time. Investing lets your money grow while you sleep. It's like planting seeds that turn into money trees, slowly but surely. Before we even put $1 into the market, let's get your base solid. Ask yourself, do I have high-interest debt? If yes, pay that off first. Do I have an emergency fund? Aim for at least 3 months of expenses. Once that's handled, even $100 can be your ticket in. Here's where the magic happens. With just $100, your best friend is something called an ETF, an exchange-traded fund. Think of it like a bundle of different stocks, so your risk is spread out. You can also buy fractional shares now. Yep, you don't need to buy a whole $300 stock anymore. Use beginner-friendly apps like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood. Don't try to time the market. Instead, invest a little at a time consistently. This is called dollar-cost averaging. For example, $25 a week or $100 a month into the same ETF. Over time, you buy both highs and lows, and that helps smooth out risk. Quick heads up, avoid these rookie mistakes. Chasing meme stocks or hype you don't understand, putting all your money in one stock, panicking when the market dips. Investing is long-term. Think years, not days. That's it. You can start investing today with $100 in a plan. If this helped, comment, give it a like, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly money tips. And remember, start small, stay consistent, let your money grow. You got this.